I'm going to show you basically what I do to get ready in the morning. But I just got my very first review, and it says travel photography is not usually my go-to in respect of art, but the cover was so beautiful that I was drawn to look inside. And overall, a really enjoyable, engaging, and personal book for any keen traveler or lover of photography. Oh my gosh, that's so cool! I have never received a review before. So this is a behind the scenes look at how I am audio recording my book for an audiobook. Welcome to my closet. I have my mic set up, a little place to sit. That's kind of what it looks like for right now. So I'm hoping you can tell the difference in my voice because I have these panels here. But it's kind of fun because then I can just go through and read it while standing up or sitting down. And this is my audiobook session. I realized you guys have never seen my office before. So this is what it looks like. I have my chair there, I have my printer here, miscellaneous supplies there, and then I have my 2 prints in the corner here with my desk. And for my wall art, I have this series of pictures that are cats mixed with Studio Ghibli, which are like 2 of my favorite things.